are you a Scrum Master or are you a Product Owner? If you are doing this role, then how you are going to improve your role and how you can do much better efficiency. So let me tell you few of the area where you can again look into those area, how you can do a better role into the product owner responsibilities. So what are the area you need to focus on that? So first area where you definitely need to look at how you are going to manage your product backlog. Means what are the features, what are the area you need to see in more and more details. Like suppose any application where you are working. So what are those features which is really critical? How you identify the priority 1, priority 2, priority 3 in your product development, which is required to be cascaded down further to the technological team and align with those development team. Then second is define your product vision. See, as overall, are you aware about that? What your client, customer having a vision or an idea to develop in the future? So that is something, the product vision, which is required to be improve your market share, maybe 10%, if 20%, something which you would like to do it as a product details and descriptions, which need to be focused on the product vision. Third is your prioritizations. How you are prioritization? How you are doing the priority of your work, which is required to be developed and delivered in your project, which is week on week or maybe every second week or third week onward. Now when we talk about the collaborations and stakeholder identification, how you are interacting with the users and users or maybe senior leader who's going to focus on the deliverables. Are you really aware about that? Are you still using those stakeholders? Are you changing your stakeholder based on the priority and based on the users who's going to use those functionality like acceptance criteria, balancing on those requirements like feedback mechanism? And definitely, are you trying to do and getting into participation of the sprint planning? How much you are involving into the team? Is there new team members are helping you to achieve or you are helping them to achieve the goal? So like backlog refinement, understanding of the backlog or going into the more and more detail also. So third one is acceptance of those work and then review of the work, which is really required to have the better clarity. Yes, this is also one of the key important areas that you need to focus as a product owner role. Hope that help you to learn more and more on your product responsibilities. Thank you.